Hey foodie, Chef Pete here, and today I want to talk about what I have here, turkey tenders. And this versatile meat, turkey tenders, very lean, can be cooked in your slow cooker. So we're gonna take the versatile turkey meat, turkey lean meat, and use our versatile slow cooker and put the two together, okay? So anyway, the slow cooker recipe that I'm going to do is such an easy thing to do. You need to go at high for about 2.5 hours to 3. You want to check it. Or low, you can go about 4 hours, 4.5 hours, or you'll check it when it's done. And it's really simple to do this recipe. So we have the turkey tenders, some seasonings, a little water in the bottom, and we have some extra virgin olive oil, because we like olive oil or some sort of oil, because this is very, very no fat, okay? Turkey tenders is no fat, alrighty? And this, of course, is Whole Foods extra virgin olive oil. I also have the Italian from Whole Foods and many other things from Whole Foods. I like Whole Foods, I like Amazon, I like Kroger stores, I like Albertsons stores, I like all different places to go where we find good buys to make thrifty cooking for our family. Okay, so